Welcome to the video tutorial on the school management software. Now in this video tutorial, we're going to be learning on how teachers can add scores directly online. Now the beauty about the school management software is that it comprises of both offline and online features. Now the offline features is majorly handled by the school administrator. So in that case, the school will be spending a dime for internet subscription to use the software. Now the online part allows students to be able to access various features from home. The same thing with the teachers. So that's one beauty about this software. Some parts can be done online while some parts can be done offline. So in this particular tutorial, we're going to be learning on how teachers can add scores directly online. Now, to go about this, the first thing you have to check is that you have to ensure that you have already added the particular staff or the particular teacher under staff. There are video tutorials that explains how to go about this. You also have to ensure that you have assigned subjects to the staff. There's a video tutorial that explains how to also go about this. Now, after you've confirmed all this, then you back up your database. Back up the database. Now, to back up the database is simply because of we want to put that database online so that the teachers can now have access to the particular subject and add their result under that subject for their students. Now, to go about this, I would go straight into the backup. Okay. Now, in our case, we've already backed up the database, so I'll be going straight to the online sync where we are going to upload the database. But to do this, you make sure that your internet is connected, because in this case, we are putting the database online. So we have to make sure that we are on the internet. So by clicking like this, it's asking for the sync code. There's a video tutorial that explains how to get the sync code. The software developers will be the one to give you that. Now, keep your sync code safe. Don't expose it to anyone. Now, I'm going to upload the database that I backed up and wait for it to synchronize online. You have to be patient for it to synchronize online. When it starts successfully synchronized, it will show a message. Now you can see it's offline to online synchronization completed successfully. So after you've done this, then you simply give your teachers their login details. That's their staff ID or the user ID and their password that you used in registering them offline. So you give them and tell them to log in at schoolmanagement.ng. Now when they get here, the first thing is that they will enter the school code. Every school has its own code. The particular teacher will enter there his username and password. And you can see I successfully logged in. Then to add the result, he clicks on add result. Now select the particular term, select the subject. In this case, only 2 subjects was assigned to this teacher. That's why you can see 2 subjects. Select the class. Now click on retrieve for that class. Now you can see all the students in that class, and the reason why we are seeing scores here is because of scores have already been assigned before to this, so we can make amends to this score or we'll clean it off. So you add the scores. It's just similar to the offline, the way you add scores offline. And when the teacher is done with adding the score, you click on save results and patiently wait for it to save. Now you can see your students in this has been saved. You can now go back to another subject and add the result for that, but to make sure that you are in the right term. So that is just the way teachers can add their result. Now in the next part of the video, we're going to be learning on how the admin can actually download this result that has been added and synchronize it back into the offline software. So this video tutorial you can watch on how you can actually, the admin, the school administrator, can get all the results that have been added by the teachers. So this is just the way the teacher can add the results. Thank you.